We, the people of India, all sections, all languages, all religions, and it is if we can combine together and really have a united stand and treat this as the tremendous struggle that it is, the struggle against poverty and backwardness, that we can win through and hold our own with the advanced nations of the world.
Chief Minister Siddaramaiah along with Deputy CM DK Shivakumar paid tribute to the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on her death anniversary. They gave a floral tribute at the 39th death anniversary function held at the KPCC office. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and party leaders Sonia and Rahul Gandhi paid floral tributes to Indira Gandhi at Shakti Sthal, Indira Gandhi's cremation site in Delhi's Ghat. Rahul Gandhi even shared an emotional video on the social media platform X. They paid tributes to Sardar Vallabhai Patel as well as October 31st marks his birth anniversary. Indira Gandhi was assassinated by two of her own bodyguards on October 31, 1984.
जान जाएगी तो मैं कह सकती हूँ कि एक एक खून का खतरा जितना मेरा है, वो एक एक खून एक भारत को जीवित करेगा।